Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Minnie Manny.
I think it's fixed this time.
Shh! Be quiet, Manny. Everyone is still sleeping.
But we woke up early. What can we do now? We'll try to turn it on ever so quietly.
What if it's not fixed? And it'll make insane noises and smoke pours out all over the place. I just think you should try it after everyone wakes up.
I tightened these screws, and these ones here, so I think it's repaired. No need to worry, Minnie.
Of course. I can totally fly as well.
Shh, shh. It didn't make a pat noise, but it made a pot noise.
Shh! Don't do it, Manny. You'll wake everyone up.
I wonder if it'll make a noise when we go this way.
I just woke up, okay, sis? I can't believe this! I really woke up before my sister for the first time in my life!
Shh! I told you, Manny.
I am finally the earliest to wake up!
Hey, man, why did you wake up so early today?
Early, huh?
Stop it, Manny. Look, you woke Mutlu up, silly.
Oh, bah. Why on earth do I even try anymore, huh?
Wait, Manny. What is this? Oh no, a leaf fell down. And this one is dry. Manny, please come quick.
What happened, Minnie?
Look at this. The leaves of trees constantly fall down. It's definitely because of all the noise that you were making.
But this turned all reddish and dry.
You know, I think we scared the tree. What are we gonna do now?
Let's stick it back in there.
What about the color?
We'll make it green again, so then all's well in the world. It's not over yet. Who knows how many we've already tried to stick? Look, they're still falling.
Oh dear, another one fell down. Look, another one. We have to hurry. Neşe will be coming soon. Minnie, Manny, what are you guys doing up there? Come on down. We are coming right away, Neşe.
How green is the green in this dream?
This is not a dream, Mutlu. Everywhere is really green for real. Mutlu, are you sleeping again? He was like that all morning. He woke up too early, so he didn't sleep enough.
I don't know. We didn't do anything.
Look, dear, am I seeing this wrong? Or is everything green out here? My eyes may be going on me. I don't know.
Of course everything's green. That's our garden. What happened out here?
Minnie and Manny, of course.
Why do you make everything everywhere green?
I know it's all normally green. And yeah, I think it's a bit much.
Thing was, we actually woke up real early. Manny was trying to fix our ship. We sadly made the tree scared because Manny made too much noise, then its leaves went reddish and fell down. We painted the leaves that fell down and tried sticking them back, but...
Yeah, I gotta say, we did paint a bit too much.
It's normal that the leaves change colors because the season of autumn is upon us.
Autumn season?
That's right, it's autumn now. Our world turns around the sun, and sometimes it gets close to the sun, and sometimes away from it. The weather gets warm as it nears the sun, and summer comes. Autumn comes as it starts to move away again.
So then it wasn't our fault then.
Of course not, guys. Come on, turn it back to its old self. You'll see that there are many wondrous colors you're missing out on. Come on, Manny. Make the leaves the color of autumn again.
No problem.
But now everything's turning yellow.
I don't think autumn came to Neşe's garden this year. I think it's coming.
Manny made a mistake when he was playing with the controller, but now, of course, he's trying to fix it. He's such a good boy.
Oh, look, Zainab came over. Welcome, Zuzu.
Oh, well, thank you, Aunt Sybil. It was all green at first, and then everywhere became yellow. What don't I get?
It was like that. The kids must have done it. They're probably around the treehouse.
There's surely something wrong with the controller. Tell Manny to turn it off and on again, and voila.
Of course, Uncle Kanan.
All I'm saying is it works on my computer.
Wait a minute, I don't think this color scheme works.
Hold up, I'm doing it.
Ooh, everywhere is yellow now. Now how can I dream up some silly things like this?
Hey there, Mutlu.
Wait, Susan, chill out. I'm asleep.
There used to be pink and purple flowers in our garden. Add those colors back as well.
Uncle Kanan said that you should turn it off and on again.
Oh!
Look, didn't I tell you? Turning it off and on again always works.
Mutlu, did you not get enough sleep?
Wait, Mom, I'm losing my dream.
Then I told them about autumn and everywhere became yellow. This happened as they were trying to fix the colors. Can you believe it?
I love autumn. It's the best. There'll be the first wind today, and then it's supposed to rain. My mom told me that. I got a huge umbrella that all of us will be able to fit under. Check it out. See this?
Oh, it's a really strange device. Your mom said that it'll be windy right before the rain comes in behind it, right, Zuzu?
Here comes the winds now.
But it's too strong, isn't it?
Oh no! My dad's umbrella's flying away. Hold it tight, Neşe.
It's dragging us along. Hey, wait for us too, you two.
Where did my dream go? I never got to see the last part.
It'll fly us away.
Hold on tight, Zuzu. Mutlu, help us.
Ah!
Ah, looks like another dream. Wait a minute. I would have been the one with the umbrella having fun if it was my dream. So I guess I must be awake now. I'm coming, sis!
Bravo, Mutlu. Your timing couldn't be more perfect.
Wind is coming around again. Hold on tight.
Don't fall asleep and let the umbrella go.
I am wide awake!
Wake up, Mutlu. You have to get up already. You missed the whole day.
Sure did. And unfortunately, I need to go now. Can you give me my umbrella back?
I had some really wonderful dreams today, but the last one was the very best.
All right, go ahead. Tell us about them.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Minnie Manny.
Good morning, Neşe!
It's us! Oh, did you finally repair that spaceship of yours? Manny worked so hard, but he finally managed to do it.
Come on, let's give the good news to Mutlu.
Looks like you finally did it, Manny.
I worked so hard, but there are still things to do. I need to head back and record the sound of our ship.
So are you really leaving?
Don't worry, Neşe. We'll leave in the morning and come back at night.
Oh, awesome!
Oh, so it'll be very fast-like. They'll fly to the stars with this beautiful machine, sweetie. And it'll be so fast. You know that it's my greatest dream to fly that fast.
You know I surely do, dear. They're gonna come back at night. Minnie and Manny will also be with them. They'll be quite safe with you, right?
Absolutely.
You know, you should really go along with them, Neşe, sweetheart.
And you too, Mutlu.
You're not joking? Are you serious? Are we going to the stars?
Are you really considering letting us do that?
For you to be the first ones to fly to the most remote parts of the galaxy?
Absolutely.
Yay! That's so cool!
You can see all of us whenever you want from this screen here.
Oh, this is perfect.
Well, all right then. Go on quickly and return safely.
We'll be back for dinner. Are you ready, everyone?
Absolutely!
They're so cool.
Turn around, don't stop, jump. Collect lights from the stars above. Let those stars brighten up the skies. There are endless places to wander, so many things to see. Don't stop, wander the endless skies. Come on, come join us and learn. Come and learn, join us today. Turn around, don't stop, just jump. Come and learn, join us today.
One small step for me, one giant leap for my dad. Now, how do you like that?
It's so lovely out here.
You can wander around with Minnie and I'll check the spaceship.
Come on, guys. Let me show you around the place. Look at all of these colors, Mutlu. They're so perfect, aren't they?
But no one is here, sis. Where are the huge spaceships, the towers with lights? I mean, what I'm saying is, look around. There isn't even a single space station to be found.
We are explorers, Mutlu. Our ancestors got really bored of the same old colors around the place. They decided to seek out and find more colorful worlds in outer space. We also wander around the galaxies. We go everywhere discovering the universe.
The spaceship is out of tune. That's the reason why it makes all those silly noises.
Oh, wow, these clouds are amazing! Around here, we call them cloud trees.
Did you say cloud trees?
I did. Clouds grow on trees in this place. Their leaves are like what you call cotton. Look, these are candy trees, and their fruits are so sweet.
Did you say candy trees?
But your color will change, of course, if you eat its fruit. Hey, look! The cloud tree's shedding its leaves. It's like magic!
It's wonderful.
Mommy? Where are you?
I can see you thanks to Minnie.
The cloud trees are perfect, aren't they, Mommy?
Absolutely. By the way, where's Mutlu?
He was looking around.
But he didn't wander far away from you, right? You tell him never to leave you.
Sure thing, Mom. I'll go find him now and tell him.
A real candy tree.
Mutlu, where are you?
I'm coming, sis.
Mutlu, what in the world happened to you?
What? What's going on?
Did you eat from the candy tree, Mutlu?
I thought. What would go wrong if I ate it?
Your color changed. Minnie said it would. Your color changes dramatically if you eat from the fruit of that tree.
She really said that?
You see that? He was too far away from you.
No, he's close, believe me. I can hear him. Oh no! Mommy!
Wait, is my mother coming?
They're already here.
Don't worry, Mom. I found Mutlu. Stay with them all the time. Promise me, Mutlu.
I promise you, Mom. Make way, sis. I want to see Mom as well.
No, dear Mutlu. Mommy is the only one who can see us. It's us that can't see her. Ah, did he eat from the candy trees? Yes, the candy trees. Mom, where is Dad? Let him also look at these trees.
He was trying to see you through the telescope. Let me call him.
I think she's finally gone. Mom will be worried if she sees you like this. What are we gonna do now, Minnie? How can we fix this? It'll be over in a day. Please don't worry. Just don't eat any more of that. Don't eat any more, Mutlu.
Ah, the old candy fruit. I hope you didn't eat from that tree. Mutlu already ate it.
What happened? Did my cheeks really go red?
Manny, quick! Where's the controller?
I left my controller on the charger.
Oh dear! My mom will come back with Dad now and they'll see Mutlu like this.
Come on, guys. What happened to me?
There is another way, but we need to find a chubbycus right away.
That's a great idea. You go and find a chubby cuss. I'll stay and stall them.
Come, Chubbycus is a very shy animal. He tries to hide all the time. It mostly takes the color of the place where he hides.
Just like a chameleon.
There, a Chubbycus. Look, he thinks he's hiding again.
He is so cute!
Mutlu, stand next to this candy tree, close your eyes, and keep still.
Okay, I can stand there for you, but why aren't you answering my question? What happened?
So, what is behind that tree over there?
I also got curious about that shadowy thing behind that stone.
Oh, Mutlu, what's that behind your back?
Hey, wait, what's behind me?
Oh, awesome! His color went back to normal.
Hey, what happened to my color?
Please look up. This is a cloud tree as well.
Oh, so your clouds really do grow on trees. Wowie.
I repaired the spaceship. I think we should head back now before it's too late, Minnie.
We're going to be returning now.
Come on, be quick.
Oh.
Don't be late for dinner.
Let me go and get my telescope out right now. I want to watch them return the right way.
Oh, sweetheart, I think this is our world. They're coming home.
I see them. I've been watching them the whole time, honey. They'll be back any second now. Welcome back, my little adventurous explorers. Greetings and salutations.